Testing. Okay, here we are. This one will hopefully be a lot less depressing than the last video. I just had some time to sleep on it, and even right after recording that video, not really expecting much of an answer from YouTube, since of course they're a massive company, can't really fault them at that. Again, one of the main things that I talked about was the stress that comes from things that are out of your control versus things that you can actually change and control. And then I realized that there really is no such thing. You always do have control to some degree, and you can always adapt and be flexible to situations that might be external and out of your control, but you can react to them and hopefully make things better. So that's kind of where I'm at, and that's why I wanted to do this follow-up video of how to move on from essentially YouTube and the algorithm, for whatever reason, squeezing all the life out of the evergreen videos that have actually been funding all of these, the new efforts with the new videos and all of that stuff. Yeah, with all that being said, how to move on from that, and the only way I can do it is honestly to double down. I'm going to try to upload every single day or every single weekday, because let's be real, I need some time on the weekends. Might not be the best move, or it might be the best move. It honestly feels right within me. I was thinking about it for a while, and it's the only way that I can really combat a situation that otherwise would slowly kill this channel. And it's because I really care that much about sharing my journey, sharing my information. It's why I started the channel. I mean, the motto of this channel is learn, create, and share. And that is because I think that you always need to be learning. You need to be like a sponge and absorb and be able to be open to learn from your experiences, from just what life teaches you, from the things that you learn in a more textbook way, and create and apply those and keep moving in that way. And then of course, sharing is not just sharing your work, but also sharing what you know and what you've learned from doing that work. I think that is also very important. So that's why it just doesn't feel right, despite the loss of income, despite this shadow hand that's like capping my YouTube. If that's even what's happening, I have no idea. Again, even if I'm operating at a loss, I'm going to continue to upload videos, and I hope that with these update videos you can have a more raw look into what it is like to run a channel, but also run a production company and run productions, so all the editing tutorials, all the on-set videos, those episodes will still be a thing on this channel, and there's going to be a lot more coming. But I'm also going to learn to be more efficient and update you in a more consistent basis and in a more real basis, not just from only the teachable moments from what I consider teachable in a packaged up teachable way, but also in a real and more impromptu and just updating you with truth and you deciding what to learn from it rather than me pre-packaging it for you, if that makes sense. That's kind of where my head is at right now. I'm still going to update you if I hear something from YouTube, the YouTube team. No hard feelings against YouTube. It is what has given me the greatest opportunities on my life, and I am super grateful. I'm going to try to get to the bottom of this, and if not, I'm going to try to adapt and improve and try to find new ways of making this channel sustainable. Now, ads aside, as I mentioned in the last video, and I do want to hit this note a little bit harder this time because it is probably the only way that I can see right now to make this channel sustainable. It is to support me through my website. I have products there that are very affordable. I put in a lot of hours in making them, and I've made them in a way that I would want to use them. Like literally, they are built in a way that I think are useful, and I end up using them in almost every project. So those are the packs so far. I'm hoping to release more packs, but I just wanted to mention that here again because it is the best way to keep this channel alive, and right now the only way to support really what I do here. I still believe in free filmmaking education, or free education in general. That will never change. You will never see me do courses or anything like that. I've shied away from Patreon and that sort of thing, so you know, this really is the only way, and it's a way where you're not just donating and, you know, throwing money at me. You're actually getting something back that I really think you will find good use out of. So there it is. That's how I'm choosing to move on. You're going to be hearing a lot more from me, and I hope that you will enjoy the things that I have to say in these videos. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a like. Please let me know if you're actually enjoying this, because I don't know, I've been feeling very hesitant, very scared to open up more to you guys in this more honest way, in this more raw way. So if you do enjoy this and you like where this is going, let me know by giving it a like, and subscribe so you can actually get notified by hitting the bell. So that will also be another great way of you know, helping with this situation of this view cap, because I don't know where it's coming from, but I'm pretty sure if you're subscribed and you're choosing to be notified, that will help that situation a lot too. Alright, thank you so much for watching. My name is Kriscoart for Kriscoart, and I will see you tomorrow. I like how that sounds. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.